Hey, what's up guys? This is Joe from Excel by Joe, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take an Excel dashboard that you just created and create an PDF file out of the dashboard. So then you can do whatever you want with it, email it, or save it for whenever. So before we get into how to do that, I just want to say if you like this video, if you could please like it and share it, and if you have any questions, just put it down below in the comments. So let's just get right into the video. Here we go. All right, so we've got our dashboard here, and this is what we want to create a PDF file out of. So first step is to highlight what we want on the PDF. So I'm just going to highlight this whole range, this whole PDF from the dashboard. You go up to Page Layout, Print Area, and then Set Print Area. So now Excel knows what to put on the PDF. Next, we want to just make sure all our data is how we want it all set. Since we've got slicers here, we want to make sure the slicers are in the way we want. And say we want to just do one state, Pennsylvania. So now we've got our dashboard ready to go. We go up to File. First, we're going to go to Print, because Print lets you see a print preview of what it's going to show on the screen. If this maybe gets broken out into two pages, then you might have to go up to Page Setup and then see how it says fit to one page wide, one page tall. You may have to change it to that option, but this is looking good so far. So now we're going to go to File, we'll go to Save As, and then click Browse. Drop down to PDF, and I'm going to call it PA Sales. Click and Save, and now this is just going to save the file as the dashboard is a PDF file, and it's going to pull it up right here, and there we go. See, it's our actual PDF. It shows Pennsylvania, and it's exactly what we wanted. So now that we did that, I mean, we could do that again for if you want to do other states, however we want to do it. Even next month comes, we want new information, we can go in and save it. But we can also I want to create a button. So all we gotta do is press a button instead of going up and doing all those couple steps. So to do that, we need to first create a macro. So to create a macro, we go up to View, then Macros, Record Macro. I'm going to call it PDF Files. Click OK. And now it's recording our steps. Since we already did a print area, we set the print area, we don't need to do that again. Our only step really is to go up to File, Save As, Browse, save it as a PDF file, call it anything we want, Print Dashboard. Click and save. So now this is actually creating a PDF file, and it's going to pop up here in our browser. So it actually created the print dashboard. And now we also have a macro. So we're going to go up to macro, stop recording. And now let's just take a look quickly at the macro. We'll go to View Macros, PDF Files. I'm going to click Edit. And here's the file right down here. And you can kind of see there's not much to it. All it's doing is taking the active sheet, saving it as a PDF file. Here's the location. If you needed to change the location, you can change it right down here in the macro. And it says open after publish equals true. So then it'll open up the file. If you don't want that, just click false. So we have our macro set. Now let's create a button. So we'll go to Insert, Shapes. I'm going to do a little rectangle button and put it up here. Then you right click and put Assign Macro. I'm putting PDF Files, assigning that macro. Then you can format the box however you want. I want to edit the text because I want to put some text on here for sure. So I'm going to put Print PDF. I'm going to format the text, make it a little bigger. And we could format the button to make it look more like a button if we wanted, but I'm not going to do that in this video. I just want to show you that we can create this PDF file here just by pressing this button. So I'm going to, when say the next month comes, or say we want to change up the dashboard, Now we click print PDF. And there we go. And it printed the new PDF file for you. So that's how you can save a dashboard as a PDF file. Then you can do whatever you want. You can email it if you need, or just save them in directories for your to look at in the future. And now we've got a button, so each month comes or each week or whenever we need, we just press the button. It's going to create a PDF file for us. So hope this video was helpful. Click the like if you like this, and please comment below if you got any questions. All right, have a great day. Bye.